Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Today we'll be making chicken pepper soup okra. The first thing is to put our palm oil on fire and allow it to heat up. Then we are going to add in our chopped onions. I'm using purple onions. We are going to fry this for a minute as usual. To the onions, I'm going to add in my locust bean. We are going to fry this for another minute. Now we're going to add in our scotch bonnet peppers, a seasoning cube, and just a sprinkle of salt. Since we are going to be using our chicken stock, we don't want this to be over seasoned. Then I added in some pepper soup spice. Now we're going to mix everything together and allow this to fry for 5 minutes. I almost forgot to add in my crayfish. So adding your crayfish. I just love adding crayfish to my food. It gives this earthiness, this flavor. I just can't prepare my soup without using crayfish. This is our sauce after 5 minutes. Now we're going to add in our okra. Now I'm just going to mix the okra with the sauce. I want both to mesmerize. You get what I'm saying? Before we add in our chicken stock. Now I'm going to add in my chicken stock and allow this to boil for 3 minutes. Before covering the pot, I'm going to add in my fried chicken so that everything can cook together. This is our okra after 3 minutes. This looks amazing. It is time for us to add in our vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Then I'll be adding in some onions too, just for the freshness. We are just going to stir to combine. I'm so sorry if you're hearing some background noise. There's a lot of work going on where I am, so I'm sorry for that. We're just going to allow this to steam for a minute. Ta-da! Our delicious chicken pepper soup okra is ready. This looks and smells amazing. For real, it's amazing. You have to try this out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.